Okay, well, you just heard, I just recorded a really long, comprehensive 15-minute video. So I'm going to make a really short video because that's what I intended to do. Was as far as the people back in 1920, 1900s, 1800s, 1700s, and actually 1980, 1960, also 1960 to 1968 is called the Red Period. For a reason in Europe, that's a code name in Europe as for a very bad time in this country. As you'll hear in the next video what it's all about, but to inform those that don't believe me, the investigation was over as far as certain people who know about this investigation. Who were directly told these things. Yeah, the investigation is over. It does not alleviate you from being arrested. It doesn't matter. Won't alleviate any of the insurance companies that acted up, any of the loan companies that acted up. As far as Northern Central and what the country did here, sorry, but we're taking that file investigation back over, and you may end up in prison again for a very long time, as well as Disney INC. As well as a lot of other businesses, and I don't want to go into a huge schematic reference of all these businesses. Like I said in the video in 2013, 12, 14, 15, and 11, and all the way to 2008, you realize people were being ushered out of the country, whether under false pretense or under truthful pretense, to end up imprisoning people, as Europe got accused of doing back in 1980s to 1990 for imprisoning people who actually broke the law, where the military actually stood up against these people who came over, who had the legal right to arrest a person by all things signed, and to pretty much say you're arrested. As far as my doing in this, you'll find out that in not the years, but the few days that are coming to a few months, that you'll find out what it means when you're in Europe, to who might have been involved, who might not have been involved. It's not customary for an investigator to say who and what and where and who did. We just got you flat out who is involved, as this may continue to keep ongoing and arresting people. As far as with the United States government, 44 million people got arrested for breaking the law in 1980 and 1990. Receiving, in some senses, 20-year incarcerations to 40-year incarcerations. Removing certain people out of the equation who directly just voluntarily said they did whatever they did. As this continues, like I said, it's going to get really empty on this planet here soon. This isn't a empty kind of, I'm going to stick you on a spaceship and send you to Neptune. This is actually a legal incarceration arrest. So have a good day.